So students, here there are only two digits without bar, and there were two digits without bar, with bar, and there were two digits without bar. So into this situation, whatever the number of digits are there which are without bar, you need to make them as a whole. So what we need to do, this was 0.25, 25 is not repeating, actually 62 is repeating. So what you need to do, you need to multiply it by 100. Suppose it would have been 0.2362 and this 362 would have been repeating, then you would have multiplied it just by 10. Okay, so multiplying 10 you get 2.362, means you need to multiply in such a way that the decimal value will be repeating in nature. Suppose it was 0.5895 and here only 5 is repeating, then you will multiply it with unit tens 100, means a 3 digit, right? So you'll multiply it by 1000, so you'll get 589.5 and this 5 is repeating in nature. Okay, so we have got till here point which is 0.62 bar. Now this will undergo a very special expansion, and it goes as, you see this 0.62 bar. Okay, since this is repeating in nature, so what you will write it, this has to be written in this way. 25 is okay, that's okay. This 0.62 bar will be written as 62, the decimal will be removed off, will be written as 62 pi 99. Now students, you will tell me that this was dot and it's after decimal there were two digits, right? So I need to divide it by 100, but why 99? Okay, look, this is a non-terminating and it's a repeating one, right? So whenever it's a repeating one, you simply cannot pull off the decimal and write and put down as many zeros as there are digits after the decimal. Suppose there are 5 digits after decimal which is repeating, you just cannot write 5 digits and then by 10,000, you cannot do that. Okay, so what you need to do, it's a rule that whenever you will find a non-terminating decimal like this, okay, which is 0.62 par, so you need to write that number over here and then divide it by the number. So 0.62 bar will be written as 62 by 99. Suppose there is 0.345 bar. This 0.345 bar, it means that this is a decimal point like this, 0.345345 n times. This is not terminating. Okay, so you need to write it as 345 repeating, right? But how many digits after the decimal are repeating? 3 digits, so you need to write it as 999. Okay, understood? So we'll go with this. Okay, so now it's a normal one. Now we have normalized it. Okay, so thereby we will be going for just a normal LCM. So what we need to do, 25 into 99, am I correct, plus 62 into 1, right, divided by 99, because this was 25 by 1, this is 99. Just taking the LCM, 25 into 99 gives you 25, 225, 25 9s are 225. Okay, carry 22, and again 25 9s are 225, 225 and 22 gives you 247. Okay, students, table of 25, okay, they are very handy. Tables like 20, 25, 30, 35. So you need to have a practice of that. That helps you in calculation, like it did to me over here. Now 62 into 1 gives you 62, divided by, it was 99, so I'll be writing 99 over here. Okay, now what was it? This is actually 100x. Am I correct? This was actually 100x. So your 100x is giving this, correct? So x is how much? 100x is this, okay, and this value two 537 by 99. You can please cross check with it, okay? Cross check this value. I guess it's correct. Okay, now this 100x was equal to this, right? 100x is equal to this. So what is the value of x? Okay, whenever you're isolating x means 100 is there, na? 100 will go on that side and it will come from numerator to the denominator. So it will come in the denominator 2537 by 99 into 100 into 100. So that gives you 2537 by 9900. Okay, so this is the answer. Why? Because now you cannot reduce it. You just cannot reduce it. Okay, this being an odd number, this being an even number, you cannot reduce it. So that is the answer, and this is expressed in the form of m by n. Okay, so I have taken yet another question, but of the same pattern, wherein their value is expressed 32.1235 bar. 1235 is together only, but that 35 bar is there in the form of m by n. So students, first of all, 35 bar means 35 is the repeating value, right? So you need to write it as let x is equal to 32.1235, whereas this 35 being repeating. Okay, so you need to multiply it by how much? I just told you in the last question how to do it. You see, after 2 decimal points 1 2, you will be getting the repeating digits. So you need to multiply it by 100. Multiply it by 100. So both the sides will be multiplied, will be 100 on both the sides. Just forgot to write it over here. To multiply both sides by 100 would have been better. Okay, so x into 100 gives you 100x. Now 100 into this gives you 32.12. Now that 12 will be coming over here into the whole portion, 0.35 bar. Okay, now I can simply write it as 3212 plus 0.35 bar. Okay, so similarly, according to the rule that I have shown you last time, right? This is there now, 0.35. How many digits are repeating? 2 digits. So once you lift off the decimal and the bar, how it will look like? 3212 will be same. I have lifted up the decimal, even the bar is not there now, by 99. I've just explained you in the last question why. Okay, so it's by the rule. Okay, now we will be entering into this is a very important topic. This is an important step. So now we'll be entering into normal LCM. 3212 into 99 plus 35 into 1 by 99, right? So 3212 into 99 gives you 317988 plus 35 into 1 is 35 divided by 99. So this now gives you 318023 by 99. Okay, now so 100x value is this. Am I correct? The value of 100x is this. So what is the value of x? Isolating x, 100 will come on in the denominator. So 318023, in the denominator already 99 was there. If 100 comes, it will get multiplied with 99 and it will become 9900. So again, students, this being an odd number, this being an even, you don't need to write this into your exam. Okay, so this is being an odd, this being an even, simplification cannot be done. So this has now been expressed in the form of m by n, and this is thus the answer. Okay.